How to file for divorce in California. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you're thinking about filing for divorce in California, the process might feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Whether your case is simple or more involved, understanding the basic steps can help you move forward with clarity and confidence. Let's walk through the process. First, you'll need to file your initial documents, the petition, summons, and if you have children, the UCCJEA form. These forms officially open your case with the court. Once filed, your spouse must be properly served with copies of these documents, either in person or by mail, using a notice of acknowledgment and receipt if they're cooperative. After service, both spouses are required to exchange preliminary financial disclosures. This includes a schedule of assets and debts and an income and expense declaration. Even if you're in complete agreement, this step is mandatory before the court will approve your case. Next, if you and your spouse agree on all terms, like property division, support, and custody, you can draft a marital settlement agreement and submit your final judgment paperwork to the court. In many counties, including Los Angeles, Orange, Riverside, and San Bernardino, we can e-file everything remotely, making the process faster and more convenient. We recently helped a couple file for divorce in California and finalize everything within a few weeks. They wanted to avoid court, keep things amicable, and move on quickly. We handled everything from filing to judgment, and their case was approved without a single court appearance. At Divorce 661, we specialize in flat-fee, full-service divorce solutions across California. Whether you're just getting started or stuck in the middle of the process, we'll take over and make sure everything is done correctly and efficiently. If you're ready to file for divorce in California and want it done right the first time, without the stress, visit Divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. Let us handle the paperwork so you can focus on moving forward.